So they are home alone? That is very interesting. Whoa! Oh! Ouch! That really hurt my back.
Did you hear that? What was that noise?
Maybe a toy fell down?
Okay, Maya. Stay safe. We are coming.
These chips are good. It's great.
No rules and no cleaning. Yippee! Oh no! Mom and Dad are calling.
Now? Look at the room. It's very messy.
Quick! We must clean up everything right now. Fast!
Hello, Mom. Hello, Dad. We miss you so much.
Hello, my babies. Are you okay? Is the house clean?
Yes, Mom. It's clean and tidy.
Good. Remember to lock the doors. Be safe.
Oh boy, my delicious fried chicken is finally here.
Leo, who is at the door right now?
Just the delivery man. Do not worry, Mom.
Here is the delivery for just the kids?
We are fine home alone. Enjoy your trip.
So they are home alone? That is very interesting.
I got the chicken. Look at this.
We love you. Have a great time. Bye.
Bye-bye. Be safe. We love you.
Yay! Let's eat chicken. Party time.
The front door is locked. The windows are locked too. I cannot get in. Wait, I see a chimney up there. Perfect. This is going to be so easy. Watch me. Squeeze. Why is this chimney so tight? Oh no, I am falling down. Whoa! Oh, ouch. That really hurt my back.
Did you hear that? What was that noise?
Maybe a toy fell down? Or is it Santa Claus?
It's summer now. It's not Christmas. That is impossible, Leo.
Let me check downstairs. Maybe he brought gifts.
Oh no! Someone is coming! I must hide.
Hello? Santa? Do you have any candy for me? There is nobody down here. It must be the wind. It is nothing, sis. Let's go to sleep now.
Finally. I thought I was going to sneeze in there. I have been watching this house all afternoon. I am starving. I need to eat something first. I need energy. This chicken is so yummy. It's mine now. Okay, I'm full. Now I can go. Where's the money? Give me the gold! Bah! Cartoons? There is only junk in here. This house has no treasure. Only stupid toys. Maybe the treasure is in the bedroom upstairs. Where is the jewelry? Where is the money hiding? I hope nobody heard that noise.
I am so thirsty. Ugh. Leo made a mess again? Wait. Footprints? Black footprints? Oh no. Please, do not make any noise, Maya.
Huh? Did I hear a noise out in the hallway?
Oh my gosh. He almost saw me. That was so scary.
It is probably just a rat. Back to work.
Leo, wake up. There is a thief in Parents' room.
Is it Santa? Did he bring pizza?
Shh. No, a bad guy. We need to call 911.
911. What is your emergency?
Hello, my name is Maya. My address is 123 Maple Street. There is a thief in my house. Please help.
Okay, Maya. Stay safe. We are coming.
The police are coming, but we must protect our house.
Let's protect our house. Let's trap him. Marbles ready.
Rope ready.
Sticky trap. Ready.
This was too easy for me. Bye-bye, house. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Ouch! What is this? Help me! Oh no! There is a rope! I cannot stop! Ouch! That really hurt my poor nose! Stupid toys. I am leaving this crazy house right now. Ew, it is sticky. I am sliding. Whoa! I see little stars and tweeting birds everywhere.
Woo, woo, be afraid. Be very afraid. We are the ghosts of messy kids. Leave our house.
Ghost! Ah! Mommy, help me!
Police! Freeze! Everybody stay right where you are. Wait a minute. Are those two little ghosts standing there?
Ugh, my head. Is the nightmare over yet?
Boo, boo.
Oh no! The white ghosts are still watching me! Help!
This suspect seems to be very afraid of ghosts.
Surprise! It is not ghosts. It is just us.
Look! The bad guy fainted 2 times. We won!
Maya! Leo! Oh my goodness, are my babies okay?
We took the very first flight home. Are you two injured?
We are perfectly fine, Dad. We caught the bad guy ourselves.
Yes, he fell down and went boom, bang, crash.
You were very brave to protect the house. I am proud.
But please listen to us. This was too reckless and dangerous.
Reckless? What does the word reckless mean?
It means dangerous. You took a big risk fighting him.
Your parents are right. Next time, just call 911 and hide. Wait for the police to arrive. Do not fight alone, okay?
Yes, Mr. Police Officer. We promise to be careful.
Parents, please try not to leave young children home alone. And always teach them how to handle emergencies carefully.
Also, please make sure the house is safe before you leave.
Kids, please memorize your emergency phone numbers right now.
And do not be reckless like us. It is dangerous. Just hide carefully and wait for the adults to help.